What is going on, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be making money online direct into your PayPal just by making funny pictures. Now, if you know what a meme is, great. If you don't, you must have been living under a rock, so check out this video and you can learn what we're going to be doing. However, before we get started with this video, if you're truly committed to making money online, then you're truly committed to subscribing to this channel. So hit that button below as well as that little bell next to it. And if you enjoy the video at the end, don't forget to like it. But if you have already subscribed, then let's crack into the video with this website, and that is called Picture Punctures. Okay, so I'll show you through my laptop. We're going to be running through this website, and what this website is basically a community of funny memers which post their memes up and earn money in doing so. So we can see on the homepage here, we can see the memes that are posted in the fresh section. So these are new memes that have gone up, and it's just a bunch of different funny memes that we can scroll through. We can also select by different sections. So we've got featured, so any of their favorite ones, I assume. We've also got hot, original, or not safe for work as well. We've also got different languages as well. So if you are a meme maker, then don't worry, it doesn't just have to be English. You can make memes in different languages. You've got Spanish, German, Arabic, French, and so on. So plenty of different options to choose from. So you're probably wondering, how do you actually make money? Well, we're going to be making money through ad revenue that the website themselves display. So they display the ads and they get revenue for that. And then you actually take a little percentage of that if your meme is displayed. So we can have a look here, this meme right here, because we've actually seen it, we've scrolled past it, and we've actually seen this ad. It also shows you how much. Okay, so this isn't a large amount of money. If you do want to find out how to make a large amount of money, then go into my YouTube channel, go into my playlist and check out my other videos. However, this video is purely for those people that just want a little bit of extra money and enjoy making memes in the process. So we can actually see, like, this meme here has only made 0.0016. This meme here as well, 0.0024. And so if we go into the learn section here, we can actually have a look at a couple of different FAQs. So what is picture punctures? It just gives you a little insight of that. So I highly suggest you guys go check that out. How to avoid being removed. If we go down, let's have a look at the money. How do I earn money? So each picture has a sponsored ad below it. You make money from the ads, as I was saying earlier. What else do we have? We also have the minimum withdrawal amount. Okay, so once you actually make $1 from that ad, you can actually withdraw it straight into your PayPal, which says it right there. So how am I going to receive my earnings? You can withdraw it using either PayPal, so that's $1 minimum, or Western Union. So if you want to use Western Union, you do have to have a $30 minimum, okay? So it's just one of those things. You can just make these memes, put them up there, have the ads displayed on them, and you're going to make that money gradually over time. So there we have it, guys. Just a quick and easy tutorial of how you can be making money online just by making memes. If you did really enjoy the video, hit that like button and leave in the comment section below what is your favorite way to make money online, okay? I'll gladly answer any of your questions, as well as if anyone wants to say hi, I'll happily say hi back. But that's all for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one.